Read and circle. Do Activity D from your textbook. Pair work. Ask and answer the questions.
1. What games or sports do you like? 2. How often do you play or watch that sport? 3. When do you play or watch it? 4. Who do you play or watch the sport with?
Read the dialogue of Section B. Write, go, play, or do before each of the sports.
Play badminton. Play cricket. Go cycling. Play football. Play kabaddi. Go swimming. Play volleyball. Do weightlifting.
Then write a sentence about each sport.
For example, I like to play badminton. She goes for swimming.
Look at the picture and choose the correct word. Play, go, or do.
Play football. Go cycling. Play badminton. Do high jump. Go swimming. Go walking. Play cricket. Do gymnastics. Do karate.
We usually use play, go, and do in these sports.
Is the sentence correct or incorrect? 1. I like to play swimming. 2. Farhad likes to play cricket. 3. They usually do football. 4. We like to play walking. 5. Muriam likes to go bicycling. 6. Rohim and Korim play karate. Write in your exercise book the paragraph your teacher dictates. The paragraph is about cricket in Bangladesh.
Cricket is a wonderful sport. Many people in Bangladesh play cricket. The cricket teams in Bangladesh are very good. People all over the world know this.